If you want to insert your SIM card into Xiaomi 15T, then in that case we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find our SIM tray over here. And in this case we should be able to also find the SIM tray hole. So what we need to do is we need to use the SIM eject tool that you can find inside the box and then put it into this SIM tray hole and then use a little bit of force in order to push it down so that the SIM tray pops out. Use your fingernails in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. And now we just need to insert our SIM cards into the SIM tray. We need to match the shape. There we go. Make sure that it is fully in, that it doesn't stick out. And then we can also insert the second SIM card, if you have one, of course. We should be able to easily put it in. Let me try to do that. There we go, it should be in. As you can see, it doesn't stick out or anything like that. So now we can put it back into the phone. So just slide it in and push it down with your finger. Make sure that it is fully in. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.